Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Pyle wireless PA system, karaoke speaker, flashing DJ lights, built-in, blah blah blah. So anyway, it's something similar to a ghetto blaster, but of course in a little bit different optics, dimensions and so on. It's more like a small DJ thing, maybe for child parties or small karaoke events. It's supposed to have 300 watts PMPO output. It has a rechargeable battery and a lot of things like SD card slot, and so it looks like really flexible. There are a lot of things described. I'm not sure about the microphone. You can buy a microphone. When you click on that, you see it's available for about $40. The system here is really cheap. Actually, it's listed for 68, basically $69. When you go to the home page, the thing is, when you want to have more information, you won't find it on the Amazon listing. You can Google for this system and you find more information on their homepage. There's a homepage of the manufacturer. I think it's a US manufacturer, or at least US company, and you find much more information there, like frequency level and how long the battery lasts and those things. And there you see the price. The listing price actually is about or close to $200, and on Amazon it's listed for $69. So I thought it's a pretty good deal. So it's not a one-time discount or something like that. It looks like it's always at the same price on Amazon. So let's make the unboxing. 1 second, I should have cut it before, of course. So that's it. Hope you can see that. I'm showing you the box, even when some people complain when I'm showing the box, but usually there's some additional information which you sometimes don't find on the listing. I think it's sometimes really interesting to see these details, so you can see the frequency, range, decibel, power, weight, dimensions. There's something more. Made in China, yes, of course. So that's probably a US company which makes the design, and so they let it produce in China. You see pyleusa.com, so they pretend to be US, but some part of the company is probably US, but the thing is built in China. So not much more about that. So let's go to the unboxing. Let's open the box and see how it looks and what's really included. So we have the power adapter. So unfortunately no USB style, so I like that a lot of products, they have switched to shouldn't have to do that. A lot of products, they have switched to micro USB or mini USB. It's 9 volt, but is it 9 volt? Can't see. Probably. It is as it is. Then we have a microphone. So why should I buy a separate microphone? Maybe when I need an additional one, so you can sing with two people. I don't know if you can connect at the same time with two microphones. I don't know. Maybe I'll find out, but this looks wireless. Is there battery? I guess there's a battery needed. Yeah, two. Probably that's a AAA. What's that? Yeah, I mean the bigger ones, not the small ones. It's the bigger ones which are needed. So that's basically just an on-off switch. But it's good. So you can use that if you want to make announcements or so at an event or grand opening or yeah, whatever. So pretty cool. I've had a family event a couple of years ago, and yeah, it was really, there were a lot of people, and I'd like to have something like that to talk to the people, and I didn't have something, so it was hard for some people to understand. So there's even a remote control. What kind of battery does it have? Yeah, a small thing, like 2025. Yeah, that's rather a rare bottom lithium battery, 2025. So I like the bigger one, it's 2032, but yeah, these are these. So at least you have a remote. I like more the rechargeable remotes, of course. It has a insulation here, so the battery should be still full. That's good. So here we have something, I don't know what it's needed for, maybe to connect yeah, like an external device, like a MP3 player or something like this, I guess. So here we have small instructions. It's so small I can show it to you, so I don't have to make this separate. Thank you if you're interested. Just look at this and press pause. Features, recording, hope you can see that. Bluetooth pairing operation, and here the whole thing, it's a little bit bent. Hope you still can see that. Okay, so you can read the thing when you press pause on YouTube. You can read through the whole thing if you're interested. Here we have some additional descriptions. There are a lot of buttons and things. Instruction for the wireless remote. I mean, yeah, it's always wireless remote. Yeah, that's it. So obviously no contact information so far. Oh, here I think we have something. Get a free 3 months warranty extension probably when you register, so that's good. And here we get some, do we get some contact information? Yes, at least here we have something. Sound Around Service Center. That's just a service center. That's, yeah, so no email, no phone. Yeah, maybe you will find it on the website pyleusa.com. So that's it. Now let's get to the equipment. It's sealed, so it definitely looks new. So make it a little bit smaller so you can see it better. Looks pretty nice. So I don't know if it's actually waterproof for outside. Yeah, here we have the whole thing. So we have this controls for treble, I don't know how it's called, so the high pitch, I think these are the high pitch, then general volume, microphone volume, and on the right side we have some kind of echo, and then you have TF card. I think it's also usable for SD card, and ear mic, I don't know, line in, and we have here the power, some LED for the battery. We have buttons for play, reverse, forward, mode, and yeah, shift, recording, and even delete. And we have a USB. I don't know for what we can use that. If maybe for power, that would be good. So if you have a device like a mobile phone and you want to use it to play, you can plug it here. So there's plenty of power then here. Yeah, looks pretty cool. So we have a big large speaker inside. Maybe you can see, it's a little difficult to see. So there's a big one, big speaker, and a small speaker. That's good. So yeah, that's the back for the subwoofer. So we have also some extra information here on the back. Looks like it works even on yeah, from 100 volts to 240 volts, which is really good. So it will work for Europe, or yeah, almost, I mean, worldwide actually, not only US. Yeah, let's make it like this. Same on the other side. Did we have already a button? No, it's pretty simple. So, but it has like these feet, really soft rubber feet. Hope you can see that. I can press really good into that, so it's really soft. So that's good. I like that. So yeah, especially when it has a lot of power, that's good. When it has a really good stand and there's like a display. So I don't know how to turn the thing off. Yeah, here it has a power button, and there's the big mic input, and it says, attention, please use the supply charger to recharge this product for 3 to 5 hours. Let's look here. Yeah, so hope you can see that. 3 to 5 hours before use. Yeah, I was tempted to use it right away, but I don't turn it on, unfortunately, so you won't see the display, but you can see it online. When the battery level indicator on the LED screen keeps flashing, be sure to recharge the product or replace the battery. Yeah, okay, so I really have to recharge. I don't know if this, yeah, probably I could, yeah, this is just to replace the battery. I think it's sealed more or less. I don't expect the possibility to easy open, which is also good when you have children around. So looks pretty good. So I haven't checked the weight and the size description, so it's rather smaller than what I actually expected, but still looks really powerful. You see my hand is about average size, so you see my span of my hand, so that's the size. Yeah, little bit, yeah, one and a half times span of my hand. But it looks, I mean, it's really heavy, so could be really powerful. So I'll give it a try, and I will definitely make another video where I describe my experience. Yeah, that's it for now, I think. Yeah, infrared. Oh yeah, there's something. So it looks like this one is infrared, which I don't like too much, but it will work. I mean, you have to just to be in front of the thing. So otherwise infrared, yeah, when you're in the back, and try to operate from here, it probably won't work. So usually infrared requires more or less visibility direct, yeah, something like that. Usually you have wireless these days, but I mean on TV you have the same, yeah. Anyway, so that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.